Now we are going to go into our favorite spot with our favorite guy, Russell. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we're talking about the Civivi button lock Elementum, or the Elementum IIs. So we have a couple different handle materials and even a couple different steels. So Ultim came out, I guess, mid last year. So this is the polished Ultim. Then they have a bead blasted Ultim, which is cool because like you can see through it. Function on these things is absolutely brilliant. Love it. Then we have the G10 variants, the OD green, the black, and the natural G10. This one, a little different. So all the blades on these are Nitro V, which is known for its corrosion resistance. Holds a decent edge, not super amazing edge holding characteristics, but super corrosion resistant. Then we have the carbon fiber over G10 handle with the Damascus blade. So there wasn't a whole lot of information out there on the Damascus, so I just emailed we and Civivi, and they told me, so the Damascus is 8CR, 15 MOV, and 316 stainless steels, and then the core is the 10CR, 15 CO MOV. So yes, this is actually a cored Damascus pocket knife, which is cool. They did it on a couple models recently, and it's just been absolutely killer look. So if you're interested, we have them in stock.
Right on, y'all. And shout out to Civivi for getting back to us. That's one of the good things we like to talk about with our brands, when they can respond to us as dealers to help us things whenever we have questions, either from customers or ourselves. So we'll wrap it up here, y'all, and see you on the next one.